lang po. Okay. So, dito. No touch!
Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Yep. Hello, Paul.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club. You know, welcome to the youngest, younger club. Yeah.
Life begins. There's a new life begins
Life
at 50.
begins at 50.
Yeah.
1950 or 50.
No,
Well, anyway, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Hope you have a good day. I wish you more birthdays, good health, wellness, and what do you call this? Happiness.
Yes. Joy and peace. God bless you. Happy 50th birthday. We love you. Mwah. Cheers! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paul. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paul. Yep, right.
Minagdunan sa reglisan.
Okay!
Sabi siguro, bakit oily? Bakit oily yung mga tao dito?
Hello, Paul. Happy birthday. Many more birthday to come. And enjoy your day and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Bulldog. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Paul. How are you? Have a good day.
Croissant for you. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday! This is Tina. Tina, the yaya.
So, birthday, Paul. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bulldog.
Hi, Paul. Kampai. Happy birthday. Osaka. Happy birthday.
Paul, happy birthday. Paul, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Hey, Paul, happy birthday.
Waldong, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Paul. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Paul! Hello from 718/Estix family. Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul. Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Happy birthday.
Happy and blessed birthday to you, my friend, my cousin. Enjoy your day, Paul, ha? Okay.
Hi, Paul. Happy birthday. Thanks for the birthday celebrant. And thank you everything. Thank you everything.
Hi, Paul. Happy birthday. Happy 50th. Take care.
Yeah. Take care, man. We miss you.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Paul. Always take care and God bless. Enjoy your day.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Paul! Happy birthday!
2, 3, go.
Happy 50th birthday, Paul!
Happy birthday, Tito Paul. We wish you all the best. Stay cool and stay young.
Happy
We
birthday
love you.
po!
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Tito Paul! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to our golden boy of the year. We miss you and hope to see you soon. I love you so much, Tito Paul. Thank you for taking care of Tita Tata and Rocco. And we are so grateful and blessed to have you in our family. I love you, Tito Paul. Stay healthy always. And God bless. I love you.
Happiest of birthdays, Tito Paul. Hope you're having a good time. I wish you all the best and more to come. This is your day. Enjoy the big 5-0, okay? Continue being the nice and funny and generous person that you are. Hope to see you guys soon. Miss you guys very much. Love you guys. Cheers.
Hi Tito Paul, happy birthday. Hope you're having a good day today. Wish you more happiness, good health, and more blessings. Hope to see you soon, Tito. Take care always.
Birthday, Tito Paul. We miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul.
Hi Kuya Paul. Happy 50th birthday. Life begins at 50s, not 40s. So enjoy your day and God bless always. Take care. Happy birthday.
Hey little brother, happy birthday. May your day be as awesome as you are. Cheers, we love you.
From Philippines to London, happy birthday!
Hi Paul, happy birthday.
Hi Paul, happy birthday. Good health and happiness. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more of God's blessing this year and always. Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Paul. I wish you all the best and more birthday to come. We love you.
Hello po, Tito Paul. Happy birthday po. Good health po always and more blessings to come. More happiness, especially more money, of course. Take care po and happy birthday po again. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Paul. Pasunod po ako sa airport. Nasa London na po ako. Thank you po.
Happy birthday po, Tito Paul. Thank you po sa pag-accommodate sa amin sa trip namin sa London. Kasi first time namin doon and talagang kung wala kayo, wala kaming, hindi namin alam gagawin namin. Also, I really hope you have a great birthday and a great year ahead of you. And all the good luck, all the love. Thank you po ulit. Happy birthday!
Hello!
Hi to everybody!
First of all, happy birthday to you. And hope everybody there is doing well. I'm June. This is my wife, Remy. Yeah, she's part of the Tulabot clan. Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday, Paul. I know, malauta mo pero the distance is not a problem. Balo mo ito. Anywhere we go, palagi tamang connected to each other. So I'm wishing you good health all the time. And a lot of pounds, not in the belly, but in the wallet. Para makapaglakwatsa mo. Palo mo naman, ingkay nga ni in trend, lakwatsa is life. So dapat, always be in good health and trabaho pa more. Yeah. Para makapamasyal. Yeah. And sana hopefully mikit-tikita mo, mulita mo sabi-sabi and we can enjoy each other company na achuta mo. I'm wishing you every single day na sana you will always be in good health. Ito yung pinaka-point na buri ko na sana everybody, actually, I'm wishing everybody good health. And regards to everybody there, and thank you so much. Kaya egan-agan time in-spend tamo.
Yes.
Nga nga kami kari, nga kami ken.
Yes, it's been years. It's been years since we've been there.
Yeah.
But I still try to tell Remy that I appreciate very much what you've done for us.
Yeah.
Dakala salamat. Maraming salamat.
Puldong Travel Agency.
Yes. Let's just, you know what? Let's just keep counting the candles on the cake.
Yes.
How about that? Lots and lots of cake. It could be a bigger cake with a lot of candles, but let's just keep counting them.
Yes, of course. And regards to everybody again, and happy birthday to you, Paul. I love you so much. I love everybody so much.
And me too.
And see you soon, hopefully. Sabay katang muli. And regards to Tita and Tito. See you soon. Bye.
Yeah, and my boy Rocco.
And Rocco. Yup. Exactly. Okay. See you all. I love you, my family. Bye.
Jerusalem. Why you are? I remember that time that we are very, very happy. And I will say again, Paul, happy birthday to you. Oh.
Happy birthday, Paul. I'll never forget the time you took and guided us in Jerusalem. For blessing and